teriyaki?
Hi, can I make an order?
Okay.
Can I get chicken teriyaki and General Tso's chicken?
Okay.
And one chicken teriyaki and katsu?
Okay.
One order of egg rolls?
Okay.
And that'll be it.
All right. Give me a 10 minutes.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
We just got done eating some very delicious teriyaki, and so we decided to come and walk a little bit over here around this park, Blueberry Park. And they call it Blueberry Park is because, well, you see all these bushes. I think it's about 4,000 blueberry bushes that are over here, and every year they have blueberries and everything, and everybody can just come and pick blueberries out of the bushes. Now to get to some serious stuff. I'm not trying to scare you guys, I'm just so I started getting a little more busy with the stuff that I gotta do on like throughout my days and things like that, right? And it's very difficult sometimes to work around my schedule and, like, you know, the things that I need to do and get to them at the right time. So the other day I was like, okay, I'm at that point where I need like an agenda or something so that I can keep track of what things I need to do, like put them in priority, the things that I need to get done first and all that, right? So I went to the store and I tried to get an agenda and I couldn't find one for 2018. I couldn't. So I was like, why is it that I cannot find any 2018 agendas? And so my wife's like, well, we're almost at 2019. It's at that point that it's like, why do you need to get a new 2018 agenda? I was like, almost at 2019? It's almost the next year? And then I was like, man, like, it really is. We only have about 3 months before it's 2019. That made me realize one thing, all right? 2019 is almost here. This year is almost gone. It's almost over. And although I'm absolutely happy with what has happened this year so far, I still need to get more things done. And the time is ticking, the days are going by, and if I need to get things done, I really gotta get to it, right? Don't get me wrong, I'm completely happy with the things that I've done this year and all that stuff. I'm very, very happy. I feel like I was waiting for this year with a positive attitude, you know. I realized one thing. My years started becoming a lot better, and a lot like better things were happening for me when I kept telling myself that the year was gonna be good. What I'm trying to tell you guys is sometimes we are hoping that our year is good. We are hoping that the year turns out to be better than the previous year and everything, right? And I realized one thing, that the year becomes better depending on what way you look at it, the angle that you look at it. If you look at your year, at all the bad things that happen to you, then that year is going to be bad. If you look at your year as the good things that happen to you, then that year is going to be good. You need to focus on what's good, what the good things that happen to you this year, and work on making that next year even better. I started waiting for these years with a positive attitude every single time. Hi. I started waiting for the years with a positive attitude, you know, and sometimes I get even feelings that the year's gonna be good. Once I started getting these feelings and I started embracing those feelings, my years started being even better and better and better. I've gotten certain things accomplished, right? I still have a lot more work to do, but I'm gonna get done what I can get done within the year, and I'm just gonna make next year better than this year. My message for you this time is, what is it that you want to get done within the time that you have left this year? If there's anything you need to get done within this year, you have only 3 months. And you gotta keep in mind that 3 months will go by faster than you think. Up until now, I thought it was still half the year. I thought that I still had 6 months left, or at least 5 or something like that. And next thing you know, I'm looking for an agenda for 2018 and I can't find one because we only have 3 months left in this year. It's funny?
Honestly.
I realized that time really does fly, and I started thinking about the things that I still need to get done within this year. And maybe some of this stuff does not necessarily need to be done within the year, but I want to finish it, and I really have such a limited time now. So my message to you with this video is, if there's anything that you need to get done, you need to get to it. You need to work hard on it. You need to push through, because yes, it's only 3 months, but 3 months go by so fast. Thanksgiving is gonna be around. Next thing you know, it's gonna be Christmas, and when you realize it, it's already New Year's, and you're gonna be looking back and saying, man, I wanted to get that stuff done and I didn't get it done. Then you're gonna start feeling like crap. Then you're gonna realize that you just wasted your time. Don't waste your time. Go and get it. Go get it done. Go work on whatever it is that you want to accomplish. It's all up to you. It's all up to you if you want to get things done. I'll see you guys on the next video. I hope you guys like this. If you do like this, please like, share, and subscribe. That works for me as feedback to know that I'm doing something good, or that I'm actually helping some of you guys. And that's the goal with this channel. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye.